We're here.
We're waiting for the Flixbus.
Yes.
The Flixbus.
It's time to go to Oslo. And we have one night in Oslo before we take the flight tomorrow to Puerto Rico. What do you want to do when you get to Puerto Rico?
We're gonna go to the Airbnb.
Oh yeah?
And then we're gonna go to the boat. And maybe we'll get a marina slip or maybe rent a car. And we're gonna go wing foil.
And we're gonna go look for hummingbirds.
Hamburgers?
Hummingbirds.
Hummingbirds. Oh yeah, and pizza with stuffed crust.
Yes.
Pizza.
One. Oh. 8. There it is. One. So here we are. It's the start of vacation.
We got cheeseburgers, chicken, hash browns.
No, is it? It's cheese things.
Cheesy tots, right?
No, don't put them on the table. How are those?
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm. So we're still hungry, so we have to go back to Burger King at the airport and see if we can get another X long. We have to run. We have to run. It's so cold. We got the X with Crabman. So we went for an X.
The X chili.
X chili. That was good. It's like it's 5:45, and we're starting the adventure. It's 4:45. On our way. It's cold. Quarter flights. We got all the seats. North Carolina. Yeah. Set up our phones so we have internet. And waiting for our drinks. 10 minutes. I have to go. Alright, let's do it. So we just arrived at Puerto Rico. It's been like literally 5 minutes, and there's no key in the Airbnb thing, and also I left my purse in the Uber.
You want to talk to him?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it back.
This works.
Okay, so he's coming back with the purse, and we ordered a new hotel room.
It's not the first time I've lost a wallet in an Uber.
No?
Or not, maybe not my wallet. A phone. I left my phone in the Uber.
Oh.
Paragliding before. It's a lot harder to get back a phone, especially if you're like used to get the Uber.
Yeah, but it's like all my money is in there. Luckily, I have my passport here, but oh my god, it's like literally 5 minutes into the trip. We don't have a place to live. Also, I don't have any money. So we finally made it, and we found a room at this hotel. I can't remember what it's called, but so here, and now we realized we booked the wrong date for the Airbnb. So no wonder the key wasn't there. Oh my god. Off to get some breakfast. We got the breakfast. We decided to split one.
Good
And
call.
I'm glad we did.
Oh, super. Thank you. Go.
Is it good?
No.
I did? I couldn't look it. Oh, maybe I'm an idiot. Goodbye, 109. So right now we're getting in the car, and then we're gonna go drive up to the, what was it called? Yunque something National Forest?
Shamalama Ding Dong National Forest.
Yeah, and go for a hike in the rainforest. I'm so excited. Can't wait. And look at this view over here. Let's see. Look at that. It's windy today. So this is the car we got. Pretty nice. Let's go.
Let's go.
Starting a hike. So what was this called?
Baño Grande. Big bath.
Big Bath. So this is the Big Bath. It's a historical site. There's fun on that bridge. So we started the hike, and now I'm gonna start looking for birds and insects. I really want to see this hummingbird. I don't know if it's in season, but I'll keep my eyes up for that one, and butterflies, and whatever else we see in here. Oh, it's so pretty. Look. Wow. So far we've had the whole forest to ourselves.
Yes, this was a good one to do.
Yeah.
The other ones were very crowded.
I also think that the long one is... Oh, I hear the birds. The long one
This isn't really like listed on the side.
scares a lot of people away. But it's not that long. What did you find here?
I'm just warm enough by the fire.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice little fireplace. The orchids. So what do you think about the rainforest?
There's a lot of trees.
Yeah.
I've almost lost count.
Getting to the top. It ends with stairs, as any good hike. Oh. One big stair here. It's raining. It's raining in the rainforest. Can you believe that?
Get me out of here.
Oh my god. We're now starting to get hungry, so we're already planning that our next meal will be a stuffed crust pizza from Pizza Hut, because I haven't had that since we were in Florida in Titusville when we had that other boat, and that's the only time I've ever had the stuffed crust, and I've been longing for it ever since. So today's the day. We're like halfway of the hike though, so we still have a lot of rainforest left. That would suck.
I was worried because I remember the last time I came up here, there was a sign that said like it was only open for a certain.
Oh
at a certain
no!
point.
Really, I didn't
And then
see that. No one is here. We're the only ones eating in at Pizza Hut.
There's your stuffed crust pizza.
There it is. And a small, tiny little Coke for me.
Yeah.
So since I had booked the wrong date, we are now gonna go see if the keys are for the right date. Hopefully, we have an Airbnb for tonight as well. That would be great. Do you think we have an Airbnb?
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh.
I think we will.
Doggo. I'm just like, we nothing would be wrong if it wouldn't be for, I sent her a message saying that we booked the wrong date, and her answer was a little cryptic. I hope she didn't think that I was canceling, that it was like today.
Yes.
Oh yes, hell yeah.
Ready?
Oh yeah. So we went to this place and we're gonna get fish tacos and strawberry cheesecake root.
Fried cheesecake.
Huh?
I think it was fried cheesecake.
Fried cheesecake. No.
Yeah.
Was it? It was very good. This sauce is super good.